Okay, folks, howdy. It's time to record today's CSS Battle. All right, we got a little Lego business going on here. I like that. All right, and so what is the shape? What is going on? Is it... I feel like the correct thing to do today, maybe it's a day to do things on the HTML element. So I'm going to set a background color on the HTML element. Not my usual way. And then on the body, and then what we can do, we can set the ampersand, I believe, and then we'll nest it. So this is this is not my style necessarily, but that's fine. And then on this guy, we're going to do background of this color. And then we're going to use margins on the body to narrow it in. So there's your narrowing. 100 is too much. Let's make it 70. 70. How about 80? Great. And then 10, 110, 20, 30, 140. So that's our pattern. Like, we can see that pattern. So what we would like is to recapitulate that. So can we do that in a single thing? What is it today? I think today it's to repeat X conic gradients. That's just a mood thing for me. It feels like the right way to do it. And so I'm going to do wrong colors. We'll do black and white. White. There's white. If I do 75%, and then I'm going to set a position, and that's not the position we want, but it's at the top, and I'm going to set a width 50 pixels and then a height of 50 pixels. And I'm going to say no repeat, just because it's very easy to confuse. And what I want to do is do just this. I don't know if you can see what I'm describing. This is the part I want to cover. So let's move it over way too far. How about 50? I think that's right. And then the width is not enough and the height is not enough. Here's 60, great. And here's a width, 60, great. And we do an at of, and then we need to make it slightly bigger, 2, 20 and 20. And that's a third of that background size. And when I let this repeat X, we get it. We get the thing. Now the question is, will it work for the bottom one as well? I think it will. Almost. It almost works for that. So let's do that. Black will be the red, and then the other will be transparent. So now we don't need, what we then need is a linear gradient to cover that up. How's that? Transparent, green, transparent. And don't forget your comma. And so what's the height? Let's try 20Q. Do that. 0, not big enough. 40, 50, 60, 60Q, 0, 80Q, 0. And then what can we adjust? We need to adjust this number, 2, 3, 4, 63. Kind of not getting a good match there. How about 50 pixels? How about 60 pixels? And then let's try this in Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And don't like that either. How about 80 pixels? pixels. And that's it. That is our code. And is it 100% match? If it is, then we are done. We'll do a unit replace and a minify. Nip and tuck at some of these little spaces. And we're all done. Can we remove? Yeah, so that's a pretty good solution. I like that solution. Not usually my flavor to operate on the body and use the ampersand and nested CSS, but today it's all good. And probably there's more characters we can remove. We need that semicolon. There's probably other characters we can remove in here and other units we could use, but that's a pretty good solution for today. Hope you're having a great day. It's raining here in San Diego, and so, busy day driving in traffic, which is a big bummer. But I hope you're having a great day, and make something with HTML and CSS. These are awesome things that are available to you. They are as crazy as the code that I write here is. It's very approachable. Check out MDN. Mozilla has this great site where you can learn all the aspects of HTML and CSS. Really tremendous resource. All right, that's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.